If it hasn't already, this Facebook scam is headed your way. Facebook uses algorithms to target our interests, to pump ads in front of us, so as a gardener, this is something you might see pop up. If something seems too good to be true, it most likely is. Let's check out this gem that I've been seeing pop up. So we got this raised garden bed, 8x16, cedar wood, steel frame greenhouse, everything's included, $70, even shipping. It's all free right to your door, $70 for this. Feeling really good about this one because it's a sponsored ad, so it has to be legit. But since we're smart, we go to the comments to read the comments to see if anyone bought this and see if they received it. Right away, there's multiple comments of people saying they got it, they loved it, it was easy to put together. You'll see Susie Johnson in there. Susie Johnson is like a middle-aged lady from New York, and she loves her raised garden bed she got. I'm still really not trusting it, so let's go take a look at Susie Johnson and see what kind of person she is. Oddly, it looks like Susie Johnson has only had a profile for 10 days. Even though she's from New York, all her friends are from India. Big red flag right there. All the other comments as well, we checked them out. They are also fake profiles. These scammers put a lot of effort into this one to make it look legit. If you go to the website link on there, it brings you to a legitimate website. It is a legitimate website. It has a terms of service. It has everything on there. But you look, and these websites were also just recently created. This is the big problem. It's a Facebook sponsored ad, so you think it's safe. Someone paid money to pump this ad in front of an audience. And since it's a sponsored ad, Facebook's going to protect you, right? That's not the case, because you leave the safety of Facebook to go to this website, and you're paying this website money for this raised garden bed. The only problem is you're going to spend the money. No raised garden bed is coming. You're not going to get your raised garden bed. If you try saying anything to Facebook about this, about them stealing your money, Facebook is going to laugh at you. If you haven't noticed, Facebook really doesn't care about scammers. You can go on to any news Facebook page when they post a story, and 90% of the comments are people trying to sell you love potions and bitcoins. They're not real. It's a bunch of fake profiles. This is a big problem. There's a lot of these sponsored ads. All the beds and greenhouses all look a little different, and some of them even try to make it more legit by saying they're a company that's going out of business because of the recession and they have to liquidate their stock. But if you think about it, $70 for this. It's going to cost them more than $70 to ship this out. So if they're going out of business, they might as well just throw it in the garbage. And the cost of materials, $70. Have you seen the price of wood? Especially good stuff like cedar. Not a chance. Total scam. And I love messing with the scammers. It's fun to mess with the scammers sometimes. So I went on there, I commented, I'm like, why is every person in the comment section here a fake profile with friends from India? Instant block. Instantly blocked. Comment deleted. Ready to try to scam someone else. They don't want anyone to see that comment. And once the Crown Prince sees this video, they're going to be gunning for me. But I think it's important to let people know when you see a scam. I hate seeing people get scammed. It's such a terrible thing, just stealing someone else's money. If this video protects even one person, I will be happy. Thanks for watching.